In this video, we'll discuss the radius mapping tool in ITICnxt. The radius tool lets you create circular excavation entities of various sizes. This tool is intended for jobs such as planting trees, installing road signs, or removing utility poles. Select the Radius tool from the Drawing Tools menu. Before you can place an entity on the map, you will need to enter information about the dig site. Once you have entered the required information, click on the center of the excavation area to place the radius excavation entity. You may continue placing radius entities on the map. Don't forget to change the worksite information if necessary. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.